Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another 3/4 Designs design team layout using the newest collection released this month, Xmas Magic. So I did do some prep work here and fussy cut some stuff out and punch some stuff. And I've got the tuck and play cards. So I've got this. I'm gonna mat this guy. So we gotta trim my photo down. So it's me and the beaster there, who happened to be Santa Paws, and Maggie was her crazy little elf. So I'm gonna do that, and this was from the mini project sheet, so I just cut that piece out. Can you guys believe it's August already? I can't. Alright, so I've got that going. What I want to do is we're going to use this as my background because I love me a wood grain. And I have decided that, like, I love this piece and I would like to fussy cut all that out and use it. But at the end of the day, I've got to use my supplies. Okay. So we've got this. And then I want to really just kind of do my best to follow that rip. I'm probably going to have to come in and clean that up, right? Because this thicker cardstock doesn't, or I always call it cardstock because it feels like cardstock, you guys. Like, it's so thick, and I want to use, so I need to clean that up. Because my idea is to run, and I'm going to scuff up that edge, right? So we're going to stick that there. My photo that I've lost is going to tuck right in here, and then we're going to kind of create a cluster using our little nutcracker guy. So when I say I'm going to clean this up, we're just going to kind of do a little bit of this, and then I'm going to scuff it up. I could have probably just followed this tear line. Let me get on screen. The kid's gonna, or the husband's gonna come in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a scuffing. So we're gonna scuff that all up, make it all fun, trim this off, scuff this off down here, and I think I'm gonna cut something. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'll be right back. All right, so we've got it all assembled. I am just going to come in and just slightly scuff up everything that's going on here, right? So these ones that I fussy cut, they're a little bit more detailed. It might be a little bit harder. I'm just going to tuck this because it's got a straight edge on it. Tuck that one under there. But just enough to just make it all kind of match. I took the back side of this paper, which was that green, and just, you know, cut that too. I've got this little couch because I think it's super cute. We're just gonna overlay it right here. And tuck this guy in right there. Still not covering Dee's head. we got a Santa. We want to put him down here. I think we can start like right. Let's get this big L shape going. So these pieces are just so darn cute. And I'm doing that off screen, I apologize. So if you just take the edge of your scissors, just be careful not to cut yourself. And you just kind of rough it up. And yeah, I have an edge distresser. So it's not like I couldn't use that, but let's pop that guy up on some foam. Just got some fun foam from my stash right there. And we're just gonna get him popped up because we're gonna need some dimension. And I've got this little bells. Rough this up as well, and then pop this up. But like you can see, I'm not really trying to get all that technical. Just making it look, you know, a little nicer. Popped right there. And put the bells right here. Still don't want to cover B's head up. Okay. Rough this one up. As you see, I'm just kind of rolling it in my fingers. But it does give it just a little bit of something. Stick this down here because this is one big cluster. Then we'll bring that door over there once again. And if you're really quick with it, it'll kind of turn with you. And then we're just gonna slide this right there. So coming up, let's go ahead and keep scuffing. It just gives it interest, you guys. Like, and I understand some of you may not be a fan of scuffing things up, and that's perfectly okay. But it does add, it adds character and dimension, you know. I'll stick this right there. And let's grab a piece of twine just from my stash right there. See, that was probably not long enough, so let's now actually grab a piece of this twine. I'm going to go ahead and tie a bow to the best of my abilities, which I'm not a very good bow tire. I know there's like a trick that you can use with a spoon. So we're going to stick this guy right there. Okay. So we're going to use some liquid glue for that. This is also adding some texture and dimension. So I am putting a very nice big glob. And then we are going to draw the line that we want that to lay with. And we're just going to hold her down for a minute. And that will stay right like that. And I am loving this. I did pop out these little things. But I don't actually think, oh, I did get the kitty. That's too much. It's just too much. I like it like this. let's put, so and then this I'm just gonna just scuff her up, and this paper is so thick that it scuffs nicely. So we're going to add some foam to this. It's my little scrap bin over there of foam. We're going to pop that right there, and we're going to scuff Christmas and put Christmas down here. And then I'm going to add some red and green, either gems or pearls. We'll see. So let me go ahead and do that, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. So these are gems. Those are half pearls just for my stash, nothing crazy. But I really like the way that this looks. And I think that that is going to do it for today's layout. So don't forget to check out 3/4 Designs. Pick yourself up this Christmas collection so you have it for Christmas. Or if you just have me, you're like me, and you have unfinished Christmas pictures, get them scrapped up. So we've got everything. This one's popped up. Everything is scuffed. I really like the scuff look, so let's get you guys a closer. Pay no mind to the glue that is popped through, as it will dry clear and you won't even be able to see it. So there you guys go. I'm showing the Nutcracker my black socks that Sam got me for Christmas, because that's what I asked for. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.